Barky the dog runs so fast, chasing the wind as it zips past. His tail wags left, his tail wags right. He barks at the moon in the starry night. Barky, oh Barky, brave as can be, jumping through puddles so wild and free. Woof, woof, woof is his favorite sound. Barky the dog is the best around. He digs in the yard, he sniffs the ground, finds a big bone where treasures are found. He rolls in the grass, he rolls in the sun. For Barky the dog, life's all about fun. Barky, oh Barky, brave as can be, jumping through puddles so wild and free. Woof, woof, woof is his favorite sound. Barky the dog is the best around. When the day is done and the sky turns pink, Barky curls up with a sleepy wink, dreaming of bones and fields to explore. Barky the dog we all adore. Barky, oh Barky, brave as can be, jumping through puddles so wild and free. Woof, woof, woof is his favorite sound. Barky the dog is the best around.